Scooter's going to get in the wasp nest too. Well, first thing Sammy played with when he come out. Gonna piss him off. Tuner, no, come on. Come on, Tuner, don't play with him. Come here, Tuner. Come here, Tuner. No, Tuner, come here. No, you gotta leave them alone. Come on. Come on, Tuner. Tuner. Tuner, no. Come here. Come on, Tuner. Leave the wasp alone. There you go. Come on, Tuner. You gotta leave them alone. Come here, Sooner. Sooner. Come on, Tuner. You and Sammy will play the wrong thing. Come on, Sammy. Sambo. Sooner. He's putting his nose right up that wasp nest, and they don't like it. Come on, Tuner. Hey, hardhead. No. Sooner. He gonna swat out. Oh, he got you. Come on, Tuner. Uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna come here and get Sammy now. Watch out, Tuner. All right, get from there, them bees is mad. Sammy and Sooner stirred up the wasp.